Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are here at Wadi Al-Jinn in Madinah.
Wadi Al-Jinn is also known as Wadi Al-Baida.
And surprisingly they have some activities over here too. So you can see dirt bike over here that you can rent. And in this area they have majlis area where you can sit down and relax. Over here they have more dirt bikes here. So they have like a couple of activities over here. So the bike is one of them. They have dirt bikes over here that you can ride. So over here my husband is riding on a bike. And my kids also ride over here too and they have so much fun. Over here they also have a small masjid where people can pray. And over here they also have camel ride. So if you would like to sit down on the camel and take a ride. I'm going to try convincing my kids if they can sit on it, because that would be the very first time they'll be sitting on a camel. And from here you can get a real good view of Wadi Al-Jinn. I'm just going to try taking you around so you can get a full view of Wadi Al-Jinn. So in Wadi Al-Jinn, people are taking camel ride. So they take about 10 riyal for one round. So yes, I was able to convince my kids to get a ride. So they did the ride on it. And my husband also did the camel ride. But they were not able to convince me.
It's a very beautiful valley which is surrounded by the mountains, and many local and international people visit this area and spend time with their families. As I showed you earlier that they have several activities over here which include dirt bike and camel ride. Wadi Jinn is a mysterious valley where car moves without drivers touching them. The valley is situated some 30 km northwest of Madinah. I often heard that in Wadi Jinn, once you park your car in neutral, it drives itself. So we just wanted to try that as well. So we parked the car in neutral gear, and to our amazement, the car was moving slowly. First we thought that it must be the road which was slow, but it wasn't, and in fact the car was moving upward on its own. And after a while the speed of the car was increased as well.
So this is Wadi Al-Jinn in Madinah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share and like our video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.